Hey, this is Cher, and I love making perfumes, but I rarely wear perfume myself because there's so many other methods of scent. And one that I really like is to make a mist for my hair to sort of wet it down when it needs a little reshaping, and it'll help detangle a little bit and then leave a nice scent. Now, usually when I make these quickly, I'll use rosemary, lemongrass, and ylang ylang because those are all really good for hair, and the lemongrass helps with hair shine and the rosemary helps accentuate it. But today I want to concentrate on making a really gentle one because I work around kids and I hold a lot of babies, so I really want the scent to be something that is very gentle and relaxing and enjoyable for me when I'm using it, and I'll smell it the most when I'm applying it. And then sort of as you keep combing your hair, it sort of fades a little bit more. But it's nice to have on hand just as a quick hair refresher. So I'm going to make one a little bit more exotic than I usually make since it's a video. So I want to make something exotic for you. Now I fill the bottle with distilled water. So what I do is I boil water like to a rolling boil and let it like really boil for a few minutes. And then after it cools down, I pour it into other bottles, and then it eventually becomes part of a mister. So this bottle is about, I believe about 2 ounces. It might be, I think it's 2.5 ounces. I generally use 10 drops per ounce of product I make, so that would be 25. Just gonna follow the rules of perfumery. So I chose for my top notes Roman chamomile, very, very gentle, relaxing. And then I'm gonna just add a touch of lemongrass to give it a little extra pep because that really smells nice in here. And then for my middle notes, a common scent, really nice for kids, true lavender. So this again is very, very gentle. But then I'm going to mix in some rosewood to give it a little bit more of an exotic quality. And then for my bottom notes, I'm choosing rose damask and a ylang ylang 1. So if I'm going for about 25 drops, it could be a little under, a little over, especially since it's not touching skin. I want to start with about 12 drops of middle notes, so I'll do 6 of each, 6 lavender, and then 6 rosewood. So there's the lavender. Follow that up by doing 6 rosewood. This alone should smell very nice because these two mix really nicely together, very gentle. So since I put in 12 drops of middle notes, I want to put in somewhat less of the top notes. So how about I do 4 drops of the Roman chamomile, and then I'll just put in 1 drop of the lemongrass. And I may add another drop of this after I smell it, but I just want to start with 1. So that's about 5 drops of middle notes so far. And I just want to start with 1 each of my bottom notes. So I'll do 1 of the ylang ylang and 1 of the rose. But then I'll be at 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'll be at 19 drops. So I'll just see if this is strong enough, if I want to add anything. So one nice thing about this one is it is very gentle, so it's okay to get it on skin if it happens. So I'm just gonna like try a little. And it is very nice, but I think I want to pump it up a little. So I'm going to add, I want to make it a little deeper with 2 more drops of the rose. 1, 2, and that will bring it to 21 drops. So then I think I'll do 3 more rosewood. And then 1 more lavender, and that'll make it an even 25. And then I will give it another try. So I shake it every time I use it, and it's good to sort of hold it upside down because oils rise to the top in water. You know, if I wanted something that I didn't have to shake every time, I could add something to it, but I don't see any reason for that. It's easy to shake. So it's easy enough to shake it. So I'm going to give it a try on my hair. I'll just sort of give it a good, that smells awesome. And then like I comb it out. There weren't any tangles in my hair to begin with, but if there were, I mean, it would help sort of give it a little lubricant to get those out. Okay. Hey, this is Cher for the second half of the hair perfume video. I got abruptly cut off. Somehow the word lubricant, I was like, what was I saying about lubricant? So the tangles enough to help get them out. And then this smells really beautiful. After I do that, I just sort of reshape my hair. I usually have a mirror to do it, but I sort of reshape my curls in the way I want them, and you know, it generally sticks really nicely. But anyhow, I will now end this video for realsies. So have a great day and peace.